if you get sass-loader error when you're importing scss or a sass file in React, so you need to install this. Okay, when you implementing sass or scss in React, you need to install that. So yeah, first I'm going to install. Here I added a new file.ss file. Okay, yeah, sass is installed. I'm going to start the file. It's open. We will see whether the style is reflected in this page or not. Okay, here I just created a background color and its class name is main, and I added that style here. Okay, here main. Okay, so yeah, we will see. Yeah, this color is reflected. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.